Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by signing in and finishing required verification so you can trade without interruptions. Once done, enable 2FA for security, then deposit funds via the wallet or fiat on-ramp. Make sure to check limits and fees before sending. Next, open the Markets tab and pick the asset you want. Tap Buy, choose Market or Limit Order, enter an amount, and confirm. This ensures your first order executes correctly and avoids accidental overorders. Now focus on execution and position management so your trades behave as intended. You'll pick order types, market for immediate fills, limit to control price, stop for risk control, because each affects execution and fees differently. If you choose leverage, review margin and liquidation thresholds, and set a reasonable size, risk multiplies with leverage. Once an order is placed, monitor the Orders tab to modify or cancel before fill, and use built-in charts and indicate to finish, close positions deliberately. Use the Positions tab to exit and confirm size to lock profits or cut losses. Once you're ready to move funds, withdraw to an external wallet or bank account, double-check addresses and any required memo, and verify network fees. If something goes wrong, like sync errors or stuck orders, clear the app cache, log out and back in, and if unresolved, contact support with your UID and screenshots so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.